Hi, my name is Aya Mazen. Today we will talk about ChatGPT. We will use the extension for the ChatGPT in our project. We need to ask the ChatGPT through pictoblox a question and let let the program answer us or tell us the answer that the ChatGPT will give it to us. So before using or asking the question, we need first to call the extension for ChatGPT. So let's call it. So how can we call it? By storing it in a variable. So let's create a variable named GPT. Let me press here. GPT equals T equals what? Chat GPT. Here is a suggestion. One of the suggestions is ChatGPT. Then now we call the extension in the variable GPT. Now I deleted only the duplication in the line of the code. And now the variable GPT has all the functions that are related to ChatGPT. And now we will need also to display, or not displaying, we want to tell us, or we need to listen to the answer. So we need to call the extension for text to speech that will read for us the answer. So let's also do the same as we did with ChatGPT. So let's create a variable. Let's call it TS equals text to speech. Also, we have a duplication here. Let's delete it. And now let's write know how can we will ask. Of course, it will be like unknown question. So how can we enter a question to the ChatGPT? It's very simple, the same as we are using with the pictoblox, is to use the input function. So let's store the function or the answer that we will get it from the user in a variable. Let's name it prompt equals what? Sprite dot input function. So what is the question? Or let's write here the message that the user will see it. What is your, or what do you want? Do you want space want to ask question mark, and then give the ChatGPT the answer. So how we will give it the answer? Of course, it will be one of the function, or using one of the function of the ChatGPT that we are using, or we can use it through the variable GPT. So let's write GPT dot ask on ChatGPT. Okay, let's write here AI assistant, like it will be like an input for this function, AI assistant. Let me select this word and add single quote, then comma. What is the question that we will get it from prompt? So it's simple, very simple to copy and paste it here. Now we are entering, just a second. Okay, we are entering the question as an input to the function ask on ChatGPT. So let's write prompt here. And now we asked the question, we need to get the answer. Of course, we will get the answer using a function of the ChatGPT. So using also the variable GPT dot what, we have a lot of suggestions. One of them is ChatGPT result. So this is the function that we will get it. We need to store it in a variable so we can deal with it. So let's create a variable ANS equals the result that we will get it from the ChatGPT. We need to display it on the screen, and we need to say it, or the ChatGPT or the function or the extension text to speech to say it. So it's very simple. Display it on the screen, use the sprite.say, and then right here the A and S, the variable that has the answer that we got it from the GPT or ChatGPT, and to let it say it. So using the TS variable that has all the functions of text to speech dot what speak what, the answer we get it from ChatGPT. Let's run the code. Okay, now Toby's waiting us to write an answer. Sorry, write a question. What do you want to ask? I want to ask about art, for example. So let's press on this simple. We're waiting for the answer from ChatGPT. Let me share the sound. We're waiting for the answer. Yes.
Art is a form of human expression that encompasses a wide range of creative activities. It can involve various mediums such as painting, sculpture, drawing, photography, music, theater, dance, literature, and more. Art can be both visual and auditory.
I stopped.
A link to our
I stopped.
Commentary and entertainment.
Let me stop the
Print response. It has been.
I stopped the application now, and now
E-change
our application
and e-challenge.
I think we can't stop it. It will stop when it's done from telling us all the definition that we get it from ChatGPT. And I hope that you enjoyed this activity, and see you next time. Bye.